Amanda, are you cleaning house? No, it's Daddy that is helping us do the cleaning today. Daddy said, Mommy, let me help you do the cleaning. I said, wow, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Today is washing night day. We are washing and setting. Washing and setting is getting done. Oh, oh, oh. And Daddy is helping Mommy. Thank you, Daddy. He's here minding his phone. Mona, say hi. That is my boy. This one is Daddy cleaning house for Mommy. Thank you, Daddy. Okay. It's a Christmas season, guys. Mama, what are you doing there? Huh? Sweet lady be with a heart of gold. Your kindness and love forever to be told. Yeah, 'cause my lady be, you don't know how beautiful you are. I want you to know how beautiful you are. You can never be less placed. 'Cause in my heart, your kitchen's admiration. Oh, how beautiful. What happened? Go and fix it, go. Go and fix it by yourself. Don't disturb Mommy. Over here is Mommy holding the phone. You guys, hope you guys are having fun. Yeah, lady B, you don't know how beautiful you are. When I look at you and I see stars that shine up over my head, I hope you know these words that I've said are true. 'Cause my lady B, you don't know how beautiful you are. I want you to know how beautiful you are. You can never be less placed. 'Cause in my heart, your kitchen's won the race. Yeah. Oh, how beautiful you are. Your smile illuminates the room like a shining light, a queen of success with a heart so kind and bright. Your cooking's a masterpiece. So see your mouth very white. Right. How beautiful you what happened? Why you disturbing me? I want you to know how beautiful you are. You can never be less placed. 'Cause in my heart, your kitchen's won the race. Yeah. Oh, how beautiful you are. When I look at you, all I see is stars. Oh, yeah. You are so beautiful. Sweet lady B, with a heart of gold. Your kindness and love forever to be told. Yeah, 'cause my lady B, you don't know how beautiful you are. I want you to know how beautiful you are. You can never be less placed. 'Cause in my heart, your kitchen's won the race. Yeah. Oh, how beautiful you are. Yeah, he looking at me. Are you doing this? Are you doing? Are you doing this? Hey.
So stis now, I can't even on stis level. You know the stis though. Ulachi, what is your stis? What is your stis? That is spinning with stis.